Oh,
She said they can't never go nowhere and have a decent trip.
this is unbelievable. Right now,
It's so cold. We're in the porta potty.
we have resorted to the porta potty.
It's called survival.
This is
Just
survival.
trying to survive.
Our hands are cold. We have on gloves. We have 50
warmers
million
in the
layers of
gloves.
clothes. But it's not working.
It's not working. Not for the Florida people.
It's not
working. So we just had to take some.
The spirit is still wait. The spirit is still here.
We had to take refuge in the porta potty. We had to. We're gonna go back out, but we just had to take a little refuge in the porta
We'll
potty
be in here a couple of hours.
Yeah, we'll be out in a minute.
just to get our feet, hands.
We have visitors. Come on in.
I'm miserable.
I'm serious. Y'all didn't listen to me. I said from the jump, we should just come on to the porta potty, wait until all the stuff jumped off, and then we would have been a little bit warmer.
We didn't listen.
We didn't listen.
Y'all don't listen to me.
Now we miserable.